Hello, welcome back. Why does Tom feel happy? Tom feels happy because he is watching TV. Why does Ben feel sad? Ben feels sad because Tom is breaking his kite. Why does Kim feel angry? Kim feels angry because Tom is breaking her bicycle. Goodbye, Tom. Why does Pam feel scared? Pam feels scared because she sees a spider. Why does Pam feel surprised? Pam feels surprised because she sees a flower running. Why does Gus feel tired? Gus feels tired because he is running. Say the answers one more time. Tom feels happy because he is watching TV. Ben feels sad because Tom is breaking his kite. Kim feels angry because Tom is breaking her bicycle. Pam feels scared because she sees a spider. Pam feels surprised because she sees a flower running. Gus feels tired because he is running. The end. Good job. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.